In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a person in Pipedrive, 2026 Step-by-Step Beginner Tutorial. If you're new to Pipedrive, updating a contact's information is straightforward once you know the flow. We'll start from the main dashboard and make a clean, accurate change to a person's record using the built-in inline editor. First, head to the left-hand sidebar and click Contacts. This opens the area where Pipedrive stores people and organizations. Make sure you're viewing people so you're editing a person's profile rather than a company. This is the central place to manage names, emails, phone numbers, job titles, and any custom fields your team uses. Next, select and click the person you want to update. If your list is long, use the search bar or filters to find the exact contact. Clicking the person opens their profile page, where you'll see key details at the top and additional fields in the Details section below. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the correct record, especially if your account has contacts with similar names. Now, hover your mouse over the specific field you want to change. As you hover, a small pencil icon appears, indicating that the field is editable. This icon is your cue that you can make an inline change without leaving the page. You'll see it on common fields like name, email, and phone, and on many custom fields as well. Click the pencil icon to enter edit mode, then make your changes. Type directly into text fields. Choose an option from a drop-down for fields like label or owner, or pick a date from a calendar when applicable. Keep formatting clean. For example, use a consistent phone format, or verify that an email address is spelled correctly, so your team can search and report with confidence. When you're done, either press Enter or click outside the field. Pipedrive saves these edits immediately, and you should see the updated value reflected right away. If your workspace uses required fields or specific permissions, you may only be able to edit certain items. That's normal and helps maintain data quality. As a quick best practice, review the top section of the profile after making your edit to ensure related details still make sense. Updating a person's information here will be reflected across their deals, activities, and communications, helping keep your pipeline accurate and your team aligned. That's all there is to it. Open Contacts, choose the person, hover to reveal the pencil, and make your changes. With this simple workflow, you can keep your Pipedrive data fresh in just a few clicks.